Hi children, welcome to my tutorial channel. Today our topic is animals and their home names. So let's start. First, dog. Dog lives in kennel. Next, cow and buffalo. Cow and buffalo live in shed. Next, cock and hen. Cock and hen live in coop. Next, sheep and goat. Sheep and goat live in pen. Next, pig. Pig lives in pigsty. Horse and donkey. Horse and donkey live in stable. Rabbit. Rabbit lives in burrow. Rat and mouse. Rat and mouse live in hole. Ant. Ant lives in ant hill. Bird. Bird lives in nest. Bee. Bee lives in hive. Fish. Fish lives in water. Duck. Duck lives in pond. Earthworm. Earthworm lives in soil. Next, caterpillar. Caterpillar lives in leaves. Monkey. Monkey lives in tree. Next, owl. Owl lives in tree hole. Spider. Spider lives in web. Bat. Bat lives in cave. Frog. Frog lives in lake or pond. Turkey. Turkey lives in farm. Cat. Cat lives in cattery. Lion. Lion lives in den. Tiger. Tiger lives in lair. Bear. Bear lives in cave. Cheetah. Cheetah lives in savannas. Elephant. Elephant lives in forest area. Deer. Deer lives in grassland. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus lives in river bank. Crocodile. Crocodile lives in water. Camel. Camel lives in desert. Giraffe. Giraffe lives in savannas. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros lives in savannas or grassland. Snake. Snake lives in tree or burrow. Panda. Panda lives in bamboo forest. Zebra. Zebra lives in safari. Kangaroo. Kangaroo lives in hollow tree in forest. Fox. Fox lives in burrow. Yak lives in hill area. Shark and dolphin. Shark and dolphin live in sea. Turtle. Turtle lives in sea. Penguin. Penguin lives in penguinery. Thank Thank you for watching. If you all are enjoying this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for new videos. Bye.